perfect day at CocoCay. On our way to perfect day at CocoCay. On behalf of Dr. Bob, Alisa, America, and Amazing Grace, welcome to Golden Bolden Life, here to sail the Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas. Thank you for joining us as we spend our perfect day at CocoCay. We're going to visit Chill Island, our tropical Cabana, Real Water Park, which has the highest water slide in North America.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah, look at these ropes. Look at this. They tied the ship
far
up
the best
to the pier so it
out
doesn't
here,
blow
I think.
away.
They spent a lot of money on this.
Okay.
You look at all.
Gilligan's Island type thing. I love that.
Yeah, the drawbridge.
Yes, I love this even more.
Jumping up and down,
I
and
know.
smell the gas, and then you had to dig them every time. This is great.
Sometimes you couldn't even.
Perfect day.
Yeah, that's a pirate ship layer.
It's fun. Perfect day at CocoCay. Going to our cabana on Chill Island. This should be fun. Supposed to be about a 10-minute walk.
Hello guys, so we are at Perfect Day at CocoCay on the cruise ship, and we're in a cabana right now. It's really pretty. Looks really nice. Hi Mom. Hello, hello. Hello. Amazing Grace. Cute. So yeah, we just got food ordered and we're gonna eat. Me and Amazing Grace played sand castles and I wrote "Miracle is here." Woo. It's literally so fun. I actually want to see how this looks. Okay, it turned out good. It turned out really good. Okay, now we're gonna decorate it while we wait for
This
the
will
food.
be the flag.
We're gonna wait for the food and decorate.
This is the flag.
That's the flag. Oh, we're gonna have to pick some seashells for Mom.
I know. But let's make it pretty.
Oh, the potential. Looks like a cake. Look how much pretty seashells they have. Look at that. Okay, I have to like zoom in. But it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be a seashell collector
And this
in a
will be
minute.
in the pool. This will be the pool.
Period. Bye. Stop raining. It's warm now, so that's good. Just in my vlogging area. Oh, look at that. It's really pretty. It's our cabana. We'll put the seashells away.
Cabana. And the girls. Cabana has 4 lounge chairs. America is still chilling and Amazing Grace are still making sandcastles. 4 lounge chairs. Got a water cooler. Still all kind of water in there. Our juices. Got 2 lounge chairs here. And it's got a nice sofa couch. Then you got your fan. And they also had to switch to your fan. Right there. They also have electrical outlets. So you can charge your stuff up. It's kind of inclement weather right now, but the sun is starting to come out, so that's a good sign. That's the lagoon. Through water park.
Okay, now we're at the Thrill Water Park. We're gonna have so much fun.
I'm excited.
Okay, all of these slides look so intimidating, but I'm honestly ready. Like, let's go. But yeah, look at these slides. Are you excited?
Yes, they look insane.
I know, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Pretty soon, we're gonna have the perfect day at CocoCay. So we have the Dueling Demons and the Daredevil's Water Park and the Screeching Serpent. Oh, that's something. Wow. Look how big this is. I think this is the tallest water park in North America.
Here's what we should do. One together. I'm not getting on one by myself. I'm not getting on one by myself.
Yeah.
I'm not getting on by myself.
All right. Well, we're gonna try to go on a smaller ride first.
We should.
Guys, I'm about to go on the Manta Racers. I think it's the smallest one. Kind of scared.
They even have zip lines. Get ready for the Splash Summit Tower! I'm glad I didn't go with it. There's Alisa taking a stroll at the Oasis Lagoon. Look at this extraordinary water park and the wonderful pool area. This is where the wave is. Close to our perfect day at CocoCay, but boy, we had a ball. It was nice. My daughter, they want to play little pirates. That's pretty cool. Looking like Bye-bye. Perfect day at CocoCay. Bye-bye. 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 Well, welcome back to the ship. Perfect day at CocoCay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and neighbors, and most important, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted when we have new content. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and God bless.